Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am taking standard of expansion sums. So over here in the previous video I have explained the formulas regarding standard of expansion. So please go back to the previous video and check out on those. And over here I am taking the second question, which is f of k is equal to 2 raised to k upon k factorial, where k is less than equal to 0. So means it will be from minus infinity to 0. K is greater than equal to 0, that is from 0 to infinity. So now let's start with the sum. First we will write the standard Z transform statement, that is f of z is equal to summation of minus infinity to infinity. K is equal to minus infinity to infinity f of k into z raised to minus k. Now this is the standard statement of Z transform. Now let's put this part f of k, this part in f of k, in the place of f of k. So summation of k is equal to, now k is greater than equal to 0, means from 0 to infinity, and in the place of f of k it will be 2 raised to k upon k factorial, as f of k is given over here, into z raised to minus k. So now summation of k is equal to 0 to infinity. Now this k we can take it outside, so it will become 2 upon k factorial into z raised to minus 1, and we can take this k outside. So after this what we can do is, now over here limits we have given as it is k is equal to 0 to infinity. So what we'll do is 2 into z inverse upon, now see, we have to put 0 to infinity in places of k. So over here we'll put 0 factorial raised to, in the place of k again we'll put 0, plus 2 into z inverse upon, we'll put 1 raised to 1. So like that, 2 into z inverse upon 2 raised to 2 up to infinity, because it is k is equal to 0 to infinity. Now anything raised to 0 will become 1, therefore this will become 1 plus 2 into z inverse upon 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into z inverse upon 2 raised to 2, so on. So now if you remember, in the previous video I have taken the formulas. So if 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 3 upon 3 factorial, now if we have anything in this format, then we will put the value e raised to x. So in the place of this we can put e raised to x. So what we will put is, this part is our x, so we will put 2 into z inverse. Now this z inverse we can write it as 1 upon z, so e raised to 2 upon z. So this is the final answer, that is f of z is equal to e raised to 2 upon z. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos I'll be taking a standard list of Z transform formulas, so stay tuned. Thank you.